How to fix Samsung Galaxy A36 keyboard disappeared. So let's start the video. First of all, restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then click on restart. After restart your device, then open settings. In settings, scroll down in last and click on general management. Now here you can see the option keyboard list. Now click on it and here you can set your keyboard as default. Here you set your keyboard as default. After set your keyboard as default, then go back to your home screen, and after doing these steps your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.